Hare Krishna, lesson 4. In the human body, the soul can discover the super soul. So, who is the super soul? So, what does Bhagavad Gita say about it? Let us see. In 13th chapter, 23rd verse. उपद्रष्टानुमन्ता च हर्ता भोक्ता महेश्वरः परमात्मेति चाप्युक्तो देहेऽस्मिन् पुरुषः परः. So, what it says, besides the atomic spiritual soul, in this body there is another enjoyer, a transcendental enjoyer, who is the Lord. He is the supreme proprietor, overseer, and the permitter, and he is known as the super soul. In other words, within each body there are two souls: the atomic soul, the individual spark of life, and the super soul, the supreme source of life. The atomic soul and the super soul resides together within the heart of each and everybody throughout the universe at the time of death. The super soul accompanies the atomic soul to his next body. So, but the supersoul is not an ordinary living entity. Only by the supersoul arrangement does each atomic soul receive his proper body. Only by the supersoul sanction can the atomic soul fulfill his desires for happiness. The supersoul is the personal expansion of Lord Sri Krishna, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. The atomic soul dwells within the material body, and he suffers and enjoys the various pains and pleasures arising from his particular body. But the supersoul, although fully aware of these pains and pleasures, is aloof from them because he is aloof from the changing body, whether he accompanies the atomic soul within his insect body, his dog body, or his human body. The supersoul stays in the same situation, that is, in transcendence. As the constant companion of each individual atomic soul, the supersoul fulfills the desires and adorns the particular material bodies of every living being or living entity. And he accompanies them on their course of birth, old age, disease, and death, life after life. So, Lord Krishna explains the same thing in Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 28th verse. So, we'll see what he says. समं सर्वेषु भूतेषु तिष्ठन्तं परमेश्वरं विनश्यत्स्व विनश्यन्तं यः पश्यति स पश्यति. So what it says, the meaning is, or who sees the super soul accompanying the individual soul in all bodies, and who understands that neither soul nor the super soul is ever destroyed, he actually sees. One may wonder, if the supersoul God is always with the individual atomic soul, why is the atomic soul suffering? Because if God is there, we should not suffer. That is the conception we have. So, why doesn't the Lord in the heart divert the atomic soul from their suicidal course of repeated birth and death? If the supersoul is actually our well-wisher, right? So, why doesn't he end our suffering? Why doesn't he help us? That's what we think. So the Upanishads answer this question with the analogy of the two birds in the tree. So we learn that lesson in the next chapter or lesson. Thank you.